Hello everyone, I'm your local tea lady Angela, and I'd like to give you a sneak peek into my day at our production facility located at Kampong Ubi Industrial Estate. Here is where I'd like to say we create magic with our wide range of specialty teas and botanicals on a day-to-day basis. Today, I'll be working on a custom blend for a potential client. Creating a custom blend requires deep understanding and knowledge of botanicals. We need to know the characteristics and flavor profile of each ingredient before we can actually work with them. We are always tasting botanicals over and over again before creating a blend. As a good habit, I would take notes every time I do a tasting. This helps me imprint the flavors in my mind before blend creation, and at the same time, it allows us to do quality and taste check to ensure flavors are consistent. Custom blending begins with either a brief provided by client or an idea from scratch. What I do is to choose a list of ingredients based on its characteristics and flavors, and I'll create an imaginary blend in my head. I would then jot down a recipe, blend it, and brew it up. The first blend and brew is very important as it kind of dictates whether the recipe is workable. If workable, I'll proceed to tweak the ratio of botanicals until I'm pleased with a blend which I call the base blend, one that's actually worthy of clients' first tasting. If not workable, it's back to the drawing board with a new list of ingredients, and I repeat the process over and over again. We take a lot of pride in our teas and botanicals which we have carefully sourced, as well as unique blends which we have created. We hope with every sip of our teas, we are able to put a smile on your faces and help boost your mood every day. Thank you for joining my day, and I hope you've enjoyed this short video.